KCET 2025 round 3 aspirants. So yes, today is the last date for option entry according to the provisional schedule. So today is the last chance to get a college, last chance to put your efforts, last chance to do option entry. So please don't do these 5 mistakes that I'm going to tell you right now, because this can cost you a seat, a lifetime regret also. So please watch this video completely and avoid these mistakes at any cost. Okay, let's go with the first thing. So first of all, ignoring new colleges and courses. So students, if you just see that there are so many colleges where the seats are still vacant, there are seat matrix. If you check, there are a lot of seats that is still vacant. So you have to add all these colleges, all these options in your option entry. But remember to add only those options where you are genuinely interested in. Okay, if you get a college, as I already told you, if you get a college in the third round, there will be no choices left. Okay, so please may add or reopen some colleges in the round 3 in the final seat matrix. So please just update your list again, check it properly, and always check the latest seat matrix, that is round 3 provisional seat matrix. Okay, please check this and then do not ignore these colleges wherever you are genuinely interested to. Moving to the next one, we have depending only on dream options. So students, you might be thinking that you want to go to RV, BMS, PES college, MSRIT colleges, but there are many colleges which are better, even you can get it at a lower rank. Okay, so if your rank and the cutoff of these top colleges are not matching, so don't waste your time in these colleges. Try to add realistic goals. Okay, there should be dream choices, at the same time there should be some safe choices at least. So 70% at this point of time should be your safe choices. Make sure that you add all the colleges whose cutoff, whose round 2, round 3 cutoff, round 2 cutoff is near to your rank. Okay, please add those colleges and only those colleges where you are interested. Okay, again I'll tell you this in every point so that you don't forget. So because after round 3, whatever college is allotted to you, you have to take admission in that. So that is, otherwise if you do not take, you have to pay a penalty. So that is why make sure that you add only interested colleges, safe options and dream options. Okay, moving to the next one, we have not reordering the preferences properly. Again, so if you have not reordered the colleges properly, what will happen? Suppose there is a for example, you have just given, suppose this fourth one, okay, fourth one which you have given is a, I'll just write bad college. Okay, and here sixth one which you have given is a good college. Okay, then what will happen? Always the roster system works from top to bottom. So if the cutoff, this college rank cutoff matches with your rank and this one also matches with your rank, so what will happen? You will first be allotted this one. So but there was a possibility that you could have got a better college with the same rank, right? So please don't do this mistake. Only add the good options first and then the less preferred options. So higher, the most at the top, what should be there? Most preferred option, means where you are actually interested to join. And also remember, once again, only interested branches, interested colleges, interested courses should be added, because after round 3 you're bound to take the admission. So please make sure that you don't add any college where you are not interested. That you will be, because you have to take the admission and your next 4 years will be spoiled. Okay, so please make sure to add only interested colleges. Order should be properly. The top most colleges where you are definitely interested, where the placement is good, where the facilities are good, where the branches are good, these colleges should come at first, then middle order colleges, then lower order colleges. Okay, moving to mistake number 5 is trusting provisional seat matrix. You might see that there are so many colleges in seat matrix where you have 0 seats, but again, remember, this is provisional seat matrix. Many students I have seen in the comment section are asking for how to cancel their seat, how to get out of the counseling process, because Comet K counseling has already over, JEE counseling has already over. Many students have already taken admission in different colleges. So now there's a huge probability that the number of seats, the number of unfilled seats will increase. So please just don't consider that, okay, provisional seat matrix is 0 here, so let me not enter that option. Don't do this mistake. If you are interested in that particular college, add it whether there is seat or there is no seat in the provisional seat matrix. I can guarantee you that in the final seat matrix there will be more number of vacant seats as compared to provisional seat matrix, because number of students are now planning to surrender, to cancel, to withdraw from the counseling process. Okay, so please, if you see 0 seats, don't think that there is no chance. After cancellation, many seats will reopen. Okay, so don't skip a college just because the provisional seat matrix shows 0. If you are interested in that seat, in that course, do add it at any cost. Moving to the next one, we have last minute locking without review. Okay, this is very, very critical. So today is the last date, right? So please check everything, double check the codes, course code, college code. You can see aided courses are there, unaided courses are there. There are so many colleges with similar names. RV College, RV Institute is there, BMS College, BMS IT is there, right? Then we have so many such similar colleges are there. So please check the college code again and again. Check the course code again and again, and then also the priority order. Okay, once it is locked, once the system closes, once the deadline is closed, you cannot further edit it. So please make sure to check the course codes again and again, and always review 2 to 3 times before the final lock, and take the printout. Download your option entry list. Okay, this is very, very important. Take a printout of this one and keep it, or save your option entry list. Okay, so students, these were the top 5 mistakes that you must avoid at this point of time. Your last chance is there. There is no more further rounds. This is going to be the final battle that you are going to fight today. So make sure that you avoid these mistakes. Any further doubts, please put down in the comment section. I'll definitely address it. Thank you for watching, and all the best for the counseling process. Do let me know which colleges you are getting, which branches you are getting, whether you are happy with that or not. Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you once again. All the best.